Good afternoon, Trinidad and Tobago and the rest of the internet. I want to do an unboxing and overview of the Samsung A03 Core. This is the cheapest Samsung on the market. So this is the box that it came in. Pretty basic Galaxy A03 Core. Let's take a look at what's in the box. Charging brick, charging cable, SIM ejection tool, the phone, and documentation. So some of the specs: it's 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, 5000 mAh battery, dual SIM. Right, the SIM tray is right on the left hand side here. Micro USB, plastic body, 8 megapixels back camera, and 5 megapixels front camera. I bought it from DigiWireless online and got free delivery and cash on delivery. Currently listed on their website for $999 TT. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. What mobile phone do you have and what has been your experience? Right, so I finished set up the phone. I added my Google account. I installed Facebook and WhatsApp, and I had problems connected to my Wi-Fi network. I had to disable MAC address filtering, get the correct MAC address, then enable it again. And that was a task because the router restarts every time I make a change. I took some screenshots, so here are 3 screenshots from the phone. Loving the phone so far, and look out for a full review in the coming days. Thank you very much. This is the old phone that the new phone will be replacing. It is a Huawei Y3 2017. It started to give trouble with the Wi-Fi. It would stick a lot. It served us a few years and it was time for a new phone.